Good morning, innovation. This is Mr. Roussel, college prep principal. Today is Monday, August 24th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Our quote of the day comes from Malcolm X. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Let's see what's for breakfast and for lunch. Today's breakfast is a cinnamon roll, while lunch is beefsteak cheeseburgers with seasoned wedges. Ladies and gentlemen, if your family is having trouble driving out to the school, please let them know that on Mondays and Wednesdays we have our Meals on Wheels program. That means our school delivers to your neighborhood food. So please make sure, if you don't have an opportunity to get out here, make sure your family knows about our Meals on Wheels program. Our core value of the week is give 100% every day. What that means is turn those cameras on and engage in your lesson. Make sure you rack up those kickboard dollars so that you can have fun at the parade of prizes. And as always, I love it when my scholars rise to the occasion, so please make sure you have a great day.